joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a video to your own website in just a few easy steps. The first thing we're going to do is log into your dashboard. And to do that, you're going to scroll down to the very bottom of your web page and select the user login button on the bottom. And then you're going to enter your credentials and select login. Once you are logged in, you're going to go to the Content menu and then select Widgets Manager. And the Widgets Manager has two different areas. On the left-hand side, you'll see all of the available widgets that you can simply drag and drop onto your home page. And on the right-hand side, you'll see your home page, and you'll see all of the widgets you currently have. And you'll notice that the gray and white checkered area is where you can drag and drop your widgets. And today, we're going to add the video widget to your home page. So I'm going to start by selecting the video widget on the left-hand side and just dragging it on to my home page. And once you have the widget added to your home page where you'd like to see it, you can now add the video by simply clicking into the little pencil icon in the top right-hand corner. Here, you can add your video title and you can copy and paste your embed code. To get the embed code, you must make sure the video is already uploaded to a web page such as YouTube or Vimeo. And from there, you can select the video, and then you're going to want to select Share, and you're going to click in the Embed button. And from there, you're just going to select all of this code and copy, and then paste it into the area on the widget settings. And then select Save and click Close. And you will now see that your video has been added to your video widget. And to view these changes on your website, simply click Done on the top menu. And you'll see now that your video has been added to your home page. And if you're satisfied with these changes, you can scroll down to the very bottom, select Back to Dashboard. And that is how you add the video widget to your home page. Thank you so much for joining me today.